So alhamdulillah, it's taken us 18 months from the point of sale, so to speak, to actually not only buying the building, getting the keys, the planning permission as well. Alhamdulillah, this is the new Bathgate Masjid. Now, to ensure sustainability for the masjid, just down here, there are going to be 4 electric charging points for cars, and up here, so this is the car park area that will hold 70 cars, inshallah, for Jummah, etc., but also give some income to the masjid. Now, just over there is going to be the main entrance for the masjid, which will allow access straight to the first floor. So every floor, alhamdulillah, has a set of toilets, a kitchen area, a number of offices, a library as well, and we're going to do the same upstairs, inshallah. That is the main entrance that's going to be built around there, and they come here into the main prayer hall, which holds about 550 people, and at the very far corner will be the Imam's office, and then the PA system will be housed in there for the adhan, and just to make sure all the technical features are in the right place. Alhamdulillah, this is the sisters' prayer area. It'll hold 250 sisters, and just behind that wall is the overspill area. So now this here is the main entrance for the wider community to be able to access. They'll be able to get access to the gym, the after school clubs, and the retail units will obviously access from outside. This wall is going to get knocked down. That will give access to the wider community for all the services. So literally over a few months, alhamdulillah, community asset transfer, got the keys, got the planning permission, alhamdulillah, and now the work's already started. And within the next 2 weeks, this floor will be ready for Tarawih for Ramadan, inshallah. And of course, my dear brothers and sisters, £650,000 in literally a few months, alhamdulillah, raised, secured and pledged to make sure that we don't owe anybody anything. However, there is a shortfall of £270,000 of loans that we've taken out to make sure that we meet all the deadlines. And it means that you and I have to get involved now. This is really a phenomenal sadaqah jariyah, not only from the aspect of the masjid, the community support, and all the other extra activities that will help to build this entire community, not just a Bathgate, but all the towns around. There's several towns that are going to basically be a service centre and a support centre for the people of this particular part of Lothian. And finally, just to remind ourselves, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that anybody who builds a masjid, even if it's the size of a bird's nest, Allah will build for them the likeness of it in Jannah. Alhamdulillah. And we know that the masjid in Medina was not just a masjid, it was the center of the